Cement begins at a limestone quarry.
Limestone is the primary raw material.
The rock face is marked for drilling. Drilling starts the extraction. Holes are drilled deep into the rock.
Multiple holes prepare a controlled break.
The holes are charged under strict safety rules. The area is cleared before blasting. The rock is fractured in a controlled blast. Now the broken limestone can be collected. Heavy equipment handles the material. Large pieces are picked up first. The stone is loaded for transport. Loading continues until capacity is reached. The load is balanced for safe driving. This supply chain runs continuously. The raw stone moves toward processing. At the plant, the stone is positioned for unloading. Mining ends where factory processing begins. The limestone enters the crushing section. This hopper controls the flow of material. A feeder regulates how much stone moves forward. Only controlled quantities are fed to the crusher. The primary crusher handles the largest rocks. Jaw crushers break stone using pressure. The rock is pulled into the crushing chamber. High force fractures the limestone. The stone breaks into smaller fragments. The process runs continuously. Material exits at a controlled size. Conveyors move the material forward.
Transport begins immediately after crushing.
Dust is controlled during crushing. Screens separate material by size. And larger pieces are crushed again. Only suitable sizes move forward. Foreign materials are removed for safety. The stone is transferred to the next stage. Crushed limestone heads to storage. This stockpile feeds the raw mill. Even stacking improves consistency. Material is reclaimed continuously. The raw material flow remains uninterrupted. Crushing prepares the material for grinding. After crushing, the material moves toward the raw mill. Continuous transport keeps the process stable. Other raw materials are prepared separately. Clay is added to balance chemical composition. Accurate weighing controls quality.
The raw mill receives the blended feed.
Grinding begins inside the raw mill. Rollers crush the material under pressure. Uniform grinding is essential. Hot gases dry the material during grinding. Moisture is removed before kiln processing. A separator controls particle size. Coarse material returns for further grinding. Only fine raw meal moves forward.
The powder is pneumatically conveyed.
Blending begins inside large silos. Air mixing improves uniformity. Chemical consistency is stabilized. The raw meal is prepared for kiln feeding. Feed rate is precisely controlled. The next stage is thermal processing. This tower recovers heat efficiently. Heating begins before the kiln. Material passes through multiple heating stages. Heat exchange improves energy efficiency. The material is now preheated. The kiln is ready to receive the feed. Grinding and blending are complete. Before entering the kiln, raw meal is preheated. Raw meal enters the preheater at the top. Hot gases flow upward against the material. Material moves down through multiple stages. Temperature increases step by step.
The raw meal is now preheated.
The calciner begins chemical transformation. Fuel provides additional heat. Carbon dioxide starts to release.
Calcination removes carbon content. Material is now ready for the kiln.
The rotary kiln is the heart of cement production. The kiln rotates continuously. Temperatures rise rapidly inside. Material travels through increasing heat zones. The main burner generates extreme heat. Clinker formation begins at high temperature. Clinker nodules are formed. Rotation ensures uniform heating. The clinker reaches its final state. Clinker exits the kiln at extreme temperature.
Rapid cooling begins immediately.
Air cools the clinker rapidly.
Stabilizes clinker structure. Fast cooling stabilizes clinker structure.
Clinker becomes solid and hard. Cooling completes the transformation.
Large clinker pieces are reduced.
Clinker moves toward storage. Clinker is stored before grinding. Storage ensures continuous production.
The next stage is cement grinding.
After cooling, clinker is ready for final processing. The material is transported continuously. Clinker is stored before grinding. Gypsum is prepared for controlled addition. Accurate feeding controls cement quality. Gypsum regulates setting time. Materials combine before grinding. The finish mill begins the final transformation. Clinker is reduced into fine cement powder. A separator controls cement fineness. Oversized particles are ground again. Only finished cement moves forward. The powder is transported without contact.
Finished cement is stored safely.
Storage ensures continuous supply. Cement is released for packing. Bags are filled with precision. Each bag is checked automatically.
Finished cement is prepared for delivery.
From raw stone to finished cement.